Hi everyone, I have really big news to share with you. Scott and I are launching a 12 by 12 scrapbooking kit club. Yay! Before I get into it, I just want to express my deep, deep gratitude to the scrapbooking community. Ever since I started making videos in 2009, I knew that we had something special in our community. And over the past little bit, I've been really reminded of just how warm and supportive and just kind our community is. The people in our community, from the paid employees of manufacturers to small businesses and entrepreneurs to the scrapbookers themselves, everybody has been super, super generous and encouraging and openly helpful to us, which has really made this journey for us so much more rewarding. I knew that we had a really unique and kind community, but wow, I've been just completely touched by the generosity of the scrapbooking world. Now, this is something that I've dreamed of doing for a really long time, and honestly, I did not think that this would ever happen. And then Scott and I sat down and we were talking about it, and the more we talked, the more clear it became that this is something that we both really want and that we can do together. In this season of my life where I have my own non-scrappy business that's pretty fulfilling, and I knew that I needed someone that I could trust to help with the logistics of a kit club, and Scott, who happens to be absolutely amazing at logistics, was looking for a new project to focus on. So it seemed to me like the time was really right for us. So I'm going to spare you all the details of the ups and downs of how this came to be, but suffice it to say that we're very excited to be able to finally announce our kit club to the world. So the MercyTiara Kit Club will offer monthly 12 by 12 scrapbooking kits that will feature a variety of new products from different brands that are curated to work well together. Each kit will include patterned papers, letter stickers, and some embellishments, as well as a few bits and bobs just to make your pages, just to give them a little special touch. We'll also offer an embellishment add-on for those of you who, like me, can't get enough of those embellishments on your pages. And there will also be a pattern paper add-on, and that will give you an extra set of the same papers that are in the kits, which will be really handy if you like to make double page layouts or two-page layouts, or it will also just help you stretch your kit a little bit further. Down the road, we will look at adding other add-ons such as a mixed media add-on or other project-based add-ons, and the kits will be available for purchase individually, or you can subscribe for some added savings. As a Canadian-based company, we're really happy to be able to offer affordable shipping options to Canadians, and we will also be offering at-cost shipping to our American friends. So at this point, we won't be offering international shipping, but that's something that we'll be looking at. So definitely let us know if you'd like to purchase our kits internationally, and we will make that a priority to sort out. We will be kicking off our launch with a one-time limited edition kit, which will reflect the kinds of things that will be offered in our monthly kits. Our premier kit will be available in the next couple of weeks, and it will feature papers and embellishments from Vicky Booten, Maggie Holmes, Jen Hadfield, and also some Pink Fresh Studios. So I'm really excited to share it with you. And if you're interested in hearing more about our kits, please make sure that you sign up for our email newsletter, which you can find at www.mercytiarakits.com. And we're really looking forward to hearing from you. There will be a limited number of these first kits available, so be sure to act fast when they drop. I will be announcing it here on YouTube as well as on social media, and make sure that you sign up for that newsletter so that you are the first to hear about it, so you can nab one if you're looking for one. So I can't wait to see what you create with our kits, and I can't wait to get my scrappy hands on it as well. In the meantime, you have yourself a really great scrappy week, and I'll see you next time with some kits. Is this really happening? I can't believe this is happening. I feel like I'm in a dream. Is this really happening? I don't know. I hope I don't wake up from this, because this has been a pretty amazing time.